Can second-year student apply for CDs explained? Most people get this wrong by thinking only final-year students can apply. The surprising truth is that certain CDs exams allow second-year students to apply, depending on the eligibility criteria set by the recruiting academy. Start by checking the official CDs notification. Each year, the eligibility, age limit and academic requirements are listed. Most academies require a graduate degree, but students in their final years of college or those completing essential courses might be eligible for specific entries or preparatory programs. Next, understand the age and nationality requirements. Candidates must be citizens of the country and fall within the specified age range. For second-year students, early preparation is key, as they often need to clear preliminary tests once eligible. Finally, prepare academically and physically. CDs exams test general knowledge, English, reasoning, and sometimes physical fitness. Early preparation gives second-year students a head start. In conclusion, second-year students may apply for CDs depending on specific eligibility rules. Checking official notifications, understanding requirements, and preparing early are essential for success.